No talk. So we cut back to Goku realizing that the transformation of the Great Ape him and Vegeta get the scrapping, and we got Yajirobe in the background scoping out the situation. Yeah, Yajirobe come out the cut like, man, Goku really getting put through the ring about this Vegeta guy, huh? Man, maybe I could attack from behind. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I gotta find an opening first though. Yeah, Goku jumped down and he like, you know what? Yeah, you got that, boy. I'm gonna have to bust out the spirit bomb on your bitch ass, bro. Yajirobe out here scoping out the situation, looking into it, and he like, damn, cuz, you really gonna bust out the spirit bomb on him? Damn, I can't believe it got that serious, cuz. Yeah, so while Goku over here charging this shit up, he over here forgetting that he got a big ass gorilla attacking this man. Well, wait, is he a gorilla? No, he an ape. Yeah, gorilla don't have tails. I don't know why I say that. While Goku is grabbing on the ground, this man Vegeta is going on the assault. He is swinging on this man with everything he got. Goku got to dodge that.